Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are going to be doing a farmer's market haul and a tasty recipe with some of those ingredients from the farmer's market. I'm super excited because this video is in collaboration with my dear friend Tamara over at Southern Wife Everyday Life. I have grown super close with her and it is all thanks to YouTube. So thank you so much, Tamara, for reaching out. And if you're not familiar with Tamara, head on over to her channel. She makes amazing recipe videos as well as day in the lives. She does amazing crafts with her son Winston. He is such a cutie. She has a lot of different recipes from the South that she brings into her kitchen. A lot of savory dishes that are crowd pleasers for everyone in your kitchen. I can attest that everyone in my house loves those recipes. So make sure you head on over after this video and check out Tamara and her channel and let her know that I sent you. We are going to be showing you some hauls from our areas just to give you some inspiration to support your local farmers and give you some fresh produce for the spring and summer. If you have the opportunity to go to a farmer's market, that is amazing, and definitely go check it out. There are so many fresh ingredients that you can bring into your kitchen and create delicious dishes with. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Tori. I am a wife, mother of two, an elementary art teacher, and I live in beautiful northern Colorado. We like to do videos on recipes, day in the lives, and everyday mom hacks to make your life just a little bit easier. I would love it if you became part of our YouTube family, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss anything new. And if you are excited to get into this haul and a tasty recipe, let's get going. All right, my friends, we are back from the farmer's market. We have some family in town and I was just so happy to show them these beautiful flowers and all of this amazing produce. This garden center is absolutely amazing. It is called Pope's Farm and it is in Greeley, Colorado. I do have some sweet onion bulbs that I needed to get into the ground here pretty soon, as well as this plant. If you can tell me what it is, awesome. You are awesome, but it is a perennial and it blooms purple. I got it last year and still do not know the name. I have some cosmos here, one of my favorite flowers. I don't know if anybody else loves cosmos as much as I do. And then I have some homemade noodles out of Wiggins, Colorado, as well as some creeping ivy. Really beautiful on a lot of landscapes, but I enjoy it in some mulch with some rock around it. I do have some squash here. I like to roast it with some balsamic and a sad looking red bell pepper. It was on discount and I'm just putting it in my meal tonight, so it was okay for me to buy. My son is showing you this beefsteak tomato as well as this red bell pepper. We enjoy these beefsteak tomatoes on sandwiches. Honestly, I could eat a tomato like an apple. I absolutely love them. And then I have some zucchini for pesto zoodles this week. Stay tuned for that recipe. As well as a yellow squash. I like to grill my yellow squash. And then I have some Anaheim mild chilies, and I am going to be using that for our recipe tonight. We get these locally, but it's a pretty common thing to have out here in Colorado. I, of course, picked up some cherries, one of our favorites. And then I am so excited. This is why we actually went to this center, but they have this really beautiful white rose and it has some peach around it. And I just cannot wait to put this in the ground. I'm going to put it kind of creeping up into a trellis. And now I am moving on to this super easy summer crockpot meal. This is going to be a chili Relleno soup-like sauce is what I call it. And then what I do with the leftovers is make it into a salsa. So it makes plenty of food. We are going to put ours on burritos tonight, but we're going to start with these Anaheim mild peppers. You could get them in medium or hot, but these are super delicious. They're char grilled and they are made locally. And then they're put in this sealed bag, and I like to cut them into squares. You could use them for chili rellenos, which are generally deep fried, but I'm going to throw in some frozen corn as well as black beans, some red bell pepper and onions. I have 3 cloves of garlic. Y'all know I love garlic, so you can omit this or maybe use 1 garlic clove. And then for seasonings, we're going to be using some pink salt as well as black pepper. We have some onion powder over here, chili powder, and cumin. And I'm going to cook this low and slow for around 8 hours. And we are going to serve it with some local ground beef, as well as sour cream, guacamole, a little bit of cheese, and some tortilla chips. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's recipe video as well as this amazing farmers market haul. I am super excited to get into spring and summer dishes, and I really can't wait to share all of those with you. Don't forget that this video was in collaboration with Tamara over at Southern Wife Everyday Life, and I will have all of her information linked down in the description box below. If you are new here, I am so happy that you are here, and we would love it if you became part of our YouTube family, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will see you next time, y'all. Bye.